Hi, I'm Jack from MegaMaxx. This is a quick intro guide to Industrial Super Strength Roll Dispenser. So we do two versions. We do them in 7 different lengths of tube as well. So this one is 600 millimeters and we do them all the way up to 1.5 meter. The small version is suitable for dispensing rolls up to 260 millimeters in diameter and up to 200 kilos. These are super strong. Strong as the fixings that you can hold onto the wall. The tube easily lifts out, and this is a steel tube. Again, very, very strong. You're not going to have no strength problems on that. The tube is 31 millimeters, so make sure the core diameter of whatever you're dispensing will fit that. It's ideal for, like, this is vinyl, it's quite heavy. You can use it for paper wrap, pallet bags, anything you wish. We do proudly manufacture in this UK, so please check out our full range of MegaMaxx products.